Communication within the swarm was another breakthrough. Each drone shared information with its neighbors using short-range encrypted signals. If one drone detected an obstacle or a radar emitter, it sent the update to nearby drones. The swarm then adjusted collectively. It was like watching a flock of birds maneuvering in perfect synchronization, except every movement was calculated for maximum efficiency and destruction. The drones were designed with low observable technology. Their small size, radar-absorbent materials, and quiet engines made them extremely difficult to detect. Russian radar systems, expecting traditional aircraft, were unable to distinguish the swarm from normal background noise. EW jammers and decoy flares had little effect. The drones could also split into subgroups, making tracking nearly impossible. Weapons integration was precise and deadly. Each drone carried small explosive charges capable of destroying aircraft on the ground or triggering secondary explosions. The AI calculated the safest angle of attack to maximize damage while minimizing exposure. Fuel depots, radar towers, and hangars were prioritized based on strategic importance and vulnerability. Within minutes, the swarm could neutralize an entire section of a base. Western experts analyzed the drone's AI and noted it used decision trees similar to what advanced fighter jets use in air-to-air combat. The AI could prioritize targets, select attack paths, and adjust in real time to changing conditions. It learned from each engagement, improving its efficiency as the mission progressed. Analysts described it as a thinking weapon, not just a flying bomb. The Ghost Swarm also employed fail-safe protocols. If a drone was shot down, its memory uploaded to the remaining swarm, ensuring that knowledge of target locations and mission data was preserved. This made the swarm highly resilient. Even under heavy attack, it could complete its objectives. Russia had developed some countermeasures, but they were ineffective. Radar spoofing, jamming, and anti-drone nets did not stop the drones. The Ghost Swarm had been programmed to anticipate common defensive tactics and adapt accordingly. Each maneuver, each strike, was autonomous but calculated to avoid detection and maximize destruction. In terms of scale, 150 drones acted as one coordinated unit. Each drone operated independently, but the swarm's collective intelligence allowed them to cover large areas efficiently. Their speed, coordination, and precision overwhelmed the base's defenses. This was not just a tactical strike, it was a demonstration of how AI could redefine the battlefield. The Kursk incident showed the limitations of traditional air defenses against autonomous systems. Military analysts worldwide began re-evaluating defense strategies. AI-powered swarms could bypass radar, jammed communications, and human reaction time. In essence, the drones had created a new battlefield where humans were no longer the primary controllers of action. The implications were profound. The Ghost Swarm combined stealth, autonomy, and precision, creating a weapon that could strike with little warning and leave minimal traces. It proved that in future conflicts, AI-driven drones would not just support human operators, but act as independent agents capable of executing complex missions. Kursk was the first clear example, and the world had just witnessed a glimpse of the future of warfare.